everybody, thanks so much for stopping by. This is video number 1 of the pop-up Destash video. Got lots of really fun stuff in this particular package, and I'm calling this one Valentine's Extravaganza. It's $5, not including shipping and handling. And the way it works is, as I explained in the first video that I announced I was doing this, you will send me an email. The first one that sends me an email, I will respond to it, and then I will send you an invoice through PayPal. It will include shipping and handling. You have 24 hours to pay the invoice, and if for some reason I don't get payment, I'll let you know that I'm giving it to the next person in line. So let's get started. Let me tell you all that I put in this package. These are brand new little heart doilies, never been used. I have a 36-inch piece of this really pretty ribbon that has a double-sided, not decoration, but it's double-sided. So that's 36 inches of that. I have these really adorable pink sparkly hearts. They're not quite chipboard, but it is pretty heavy cardstock. And this one pops out that ends up being like this one, so I gave you 2 of those. I gave you Bow Bunny stickers, which actually used another package that I have like this on a card, and it looked really cute. I have used these, so when you get this, know that the 2 tabs have already been used. I'm throwing in this sheet of heart stickers. Now, I used another sheet last year when I sent out my Valentine cards. When I sealed the envelope, I put the heart on the back of the envelope. It looked really cute. Don't know if you have grandbabies that are going to be doing Valentine cards this year. These are 2 brand new sheets that came out of a package that I already used the other ones, so these have never been used. I have these really cute foam embellishments. Kiss Me, it has these little V for Valentine and then True Love, 2 of them of each. I've never used these, so that's brand new. This is a sparkly glittery heart border. Looks really cute on a layout. This is a Recollections lace and bling. I did use the solid bling that was in here, so you guys can use the lace and the bling on a layout or card, whatever you would like. I cut up 4 photo mats. These are 4x6. Obviously, if you want to cut them down and put them on a card as a layer, be really cute. It has a little bit of shimmer to it. I'm also including this ceramic. You kind of hang it up. It says "Be Mine." I've got 3 round buttons, 2 heart buttons, a Happy Valentine's Day foam letters. They're really cute too. And then as far as the paper goes, this is actually out of a Martha Stewart paper pad, I believe. And it's just 3x4. You can cut these down cards, and you can use these as Valentine cards if you want, because you can cut them and then write down on the back, or write them on the back. I have no idea what that is doing in there. Or you could use it as a layout as well. You don't have to cut it down. It's really cute. And then these are the 3 pages of the 12x12. Actually, you don't have to do layout with these. You can cut these down and make beautiful Valentine cards with these. So that's in that first package, Valentine Extravaganza. Again, it's $5 for everything. And the first email that I get, I will let you know, and we'll go from there. I'll ship it off to you. Thanks so much for watching, and thanks for helping me out with my Destash. Have a great day.